Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. My name is Valentina. If you're new, my channel is all about lifestyle, beauty and sometimes skincare. If that is something that may interest you, please consider subscribing. Today's video is gonna be all about double cleansing. First of all, I apologize about the audio. I think it's gonna be a bit echoey, but I'm not in my bathroom. I'm in my parents' bathroom because we're in Italy currently. I received so many questions about double cleansing, and so I decided to show you how I double cleanse and explain you why I double cleanse and the products that I use. I think double cleansing is the base to your skincare and to make sure that your skin is at its cleanest before applying any other skincare, whatever your skincare is, but your skin has to be clean. If it's not clean, whatever you put on top doesn't really work the way it's supposed to. When you're rubbing your skincare on your skin, you're gonna end up rubbing all the dirt back into your pores. Then you get your clogged pores, dilated pores, pimples, white pimples, and whatever it is. If you want to see how I double cleanse, please keep on watching. You can see that I'm wearing makeup right now. So my first cleanse is with an oil. This is the travel bottle. This is the Origin oil cleanser. I do like this one. It really does melt all the makeup and it's super easy to wash off. It's oily but not that heavy oil that then you're gonna feel on your skin after you rinse it off. You can either rinse it off with a warm cloth. I do that a lot at home. In here I don't have the warm cloths that I do have at home, so I'm just gonna rinse it off with running water. I'm just gonna put a couple of pumps and unwrap it. You will see the product that I'm gonna use after this, and it's a product that I've been working with for quite a few months right now. I started using it with the quarantine, and that is my ride or die product for getting a proper clean skin. But still, I do like give my skin a double cleanse, especially if I'm wearing makeup. I'm not gonna lie, if I'm wearing just SPF, which is something that you should wear all the time, even when it's cloudy. I know fall is starting and I know that basically everywhere is starting to get cloudy and raining, and you know, we're in Milan right now where we're being so blessed with the weather, but still, even if it's cloudy, you have the sun coming through the clouds, and that can still be damaging for your skin. And you know, you don't really think about it when you're young, but then when you get to my age, like today I met my best friend and I haven't seen her since the wedding, so it's been like July, August, September, October, 15 months. So I'm finally seeing all of my friends and my family after 15 months. I haven't seen them. Thank you, COVID. We were taking some pictures and I was like, God, I have so many wrinkles now. But it's like, you know, maybe they were gonna come out straight away. For sure, in my early 20s especially, I didn't really help my skin that much by not wearing SPF.
Hello.
Hello.
What you doing? Video?
I'm filming.
Hello guys.
We have an intruder. Now I'm gonna rinse off my face. When you use a towel, always dab. Never like just wipe all over your face because you can damage your skin as well. Now I'm doing the second cleanse. For my second cleanse, I'm using my trustworthy Lumi Spa. If you watched my previous skincare videos and you've been following me on Instagram, you know that this is a tool that I've been using since March. This is a great tool. It does take off your makeup as well. You just need to use it for 2 minutes. This is a product that I do recommend to anyone that is looking for a tool to clean their face. This is great for men, women, whatever age, that you're in your teens and you're struggling with acne, that you're in your early 20s and you're trying to sort out your skincare, that you're in your 50s and you're starting with skincare because you never really bothered and now it's like everything that everybody is talking about is skincare, because everyone got really into skincare during this quarantine period. This is a great tool to make sure that your skin is nice and clean before applying the rest of your skincare. It doesn't just remove your makeup. You have 7 benefits. I'm gonna list them over here. I was skeptical myself when I started using it. I was like, yeah, whatever. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. I'm damping my skin, and it doesn't need to be soaking wet. I'm taking my Lumi. When you purchase the Lumi Spa, you get the cleanser as well. I finished it and I ordered it too late. So I'm using, this is the Garnier lavender and lemongrass gel. This is their organic line. I do like this gel. It's very delicate. It smells nice. It smells nice if you like lavender. I'm not a massive fan of fragrance in skincare, but this fragrance in here is very delicate. Plus, to be honest, lavender is a fragrance that I do like. You don't need much product. On and off button, we just switch it on, and then enjoy the next 2 minutes. With this tool, you don't need to press too much on your skin. You don't need to go super fast. You don't need to rub. You just glide it over your skin for 2 minutes. I go very close to my hairline, basically over my hairline, because I know that I haven't gone that close with the oil. I basically split my face into 4 sections. So I'm sure that each section gets the 30 seconds. You hear that sound? That is when you're pressing too much or you're going too fast on your skin. I don't know if you can see a bit of flash on my forehead. That is because it's the blood coming back to the surface, and it brings oxygen to the surface of your I can't speak anymore, to the surface of your skin, which is what you want. I hope you guys can see all the crap is full. You can see a little bit of that brown. That is still the makeup that was sitting on top of my skin, despite using an oil cleanser before that. I'm just rinsing off rinsing the head. Another great thing is a silicone head. You don't have to rub it forever, just a few seconds. You take off whatever was left in there, and it's clean, ready for the next use. Now I'm gonna rinse off my face. Now that the skin is nice and clean, and it feels nice and soft, not tight and not dry, because I've been using an oil cleanser and I've been using a gel cleanser. That's one of the things that I get asked a lot. People are asking a lot about foaming cleansers. I'm not a big fan of foaming cleansers, I'm not gonna lie. They do make my skin feel very tight and very dry, and that is not a feeling that you want. The squeaky clean feeling is not good. This is a product that I'm using a lot now that I'm fighting with acne, and it's with Mask Me. This is a product that I do suggest if you're looking for a product for acne, whatever acne we're talking about. So the brand is called Smackney. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I've done actually a video. They kindly sponsored it and they sent me the whole kit. I'm gonna leave you the link up here. They are a company that developed one of the best acne treatments I've tried in the past 10 years. At the moment, I'm using the severe acne treatment. I kept it in my skincare because, again, with the mask, I still have some pimples coming out. I had an outburst of hormonal acne. Now I have a pimple once in a while. The main ingredient inside the treatment is the benzoyl peroxide. What the benzoyl peroxide does is basically keeping your skin nice and clean. If I have a new pimple coming out, I know that because I'm using this one, I'm not gonna have a white pimple. I'm a serial pimple popper, so if I see a white pimple, 100% sure I'm gonna end up squeezing it. That's how you get marks. That's the thing that is gonna take the longest to disappear. I didn't have a pimple in a very, very long time. I blame the mask for this because we've been wearing a mask a lot since we're in Italy, but it might be because I had a lot of salami yesterday, so I don't know. This is how much I'm gonna use. This magnet is unfortunately available just in the US at the moment. So if you're in Europe, you have to be a little patient, but they're bringing magnet to Europe as well. They're working on that. You have to massage it till it's nice and absorbed into the skin. It's not a moisturizer, it's an acne treatment. So you want to put a moisturizer on top. I'm using the Nivea Q10 Power. This is anti-wrinkle and firming. This is night cream version. I do love this one. I do love the day cream version, and I just think is a very hydrating product and it's very affordable. This is how much I'm using. You have to massage it quite a bit to make sure you don't have the white cast on your skin. Don't forget your neck. I don't have an eye cream with me, so I just massage this cream around my eye. I'm putting a lip balm, whatever lip balm. And this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the little bell down below so you're gonna be notified every time I do upload a new video once a week. Don't forget to go on my socials on Instagram and Facebook. The links to the pages are down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you again soon. Mwah. Bye!